Okay, today we're going to make these cute little yarn gnomes. These are really popular for Christmas, but I happen to make them for fall, so I'm going to go ahead and share these. So I cut a piece of cardboard that's about 9 inches and wrapped the yarn around. It's just a quick, easy way to do it. So you'll just hold your yarn in place and just cut these top and bottom. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm actually going to cut that and then hold them in half. Just cut the rest. And again, this is not an exact science. So you just want a bunch of 9-inch pieces. I think I used about 45. So this is a piece of toilet paper roll. You just cut it not quite an inch, I guess, or an inch. So you're going to loop these pieces. You'll fold them in half. And you'll put it through here, hold the ends together, and then pull them up like this. I'm not going to make you watch me do all of these because it would take forever. But just remember, always go through the same directions. I'm going through to the right and then pulling up. Like that. Now you're going to repeat this all the way around until you get it nice and full. Okay, so when it's all done, it's going to look like this. And then you're going to take all of the threads and push them back up through the top. That's what creates the little rim on the hat. So I wanted to mention too, when you first start and you're wrapping the yarn around this, I stretched my yarn too tight, so don't do that, because I ended up, when I was done, my strands ended up being closer to 7 inches, which is really cutting it close. So now we're going to take another piece, tie this off. So you can see that made a shorter hat, where if I had done them longer, it could be taller. Oops, sorry, there we go. Okay, once it's tied off, you can just give it a little haircut. Okay, so this one doesn't really need it, but if you have a taller hat, you can stuff it with either cotton. This is just some extra yarn I had, so you can put this in here to fill it out a little bit if you need to, like that. Okay, now to make the beard, there's a couple ways you can do this. I use a pom-pom maker, so I have a set, and I'll link this below. This one's a little bit smaller than this, but that hat's smaller, so these are really easy. I love these little pom-pom makers. Okay, so I just have the 2 arms folded out. I'm just going to wrap. If you guys don't have one of these, this one, I'll link it below. It comes in a set of 4. So you can make pom-pomeries, and I'll link some extra videos. You can see of things I've made with the pom-pom maker. Okay, so once you get it pretty full like that, you just fold these in and then go to the other side, and you would literally just go right over the top. Sorry, I could have fast forwarded, but this will just take a minute. Okay. So the pom-pom maker has grooves in it. So you just cut through those grooves. And there's that thread that from when we crossed over, so we'll just catch that when we're clipping. Okay, when you get all the way through, I'll just cut another piece. Push it through here. You want to make sure this is nice and tight. Tie this in a knot really tight. There. Okay, now you just pull these apart. You can trim it a little bit. Okay, so now you're just going to take your hot glue gun and glue your pom-pom like that. And then I love these. These are just little split wood beads, so they're flat on one side. They don't have a hole. So they make really cute little noses. You just glue that right on there like that. And then these here I got at Dollar Tree, but I did find them on Etsy, so I can link those as well. A lot of people ask me about the little sunflowers. Okay, so the other beard you can do, so you can just take your hand and wrap it around about, I don't know, 20-25 times, I guess.